Create material text field components in Jetpack Compose. Open Android Studio. Create a premium Material 3 screen with a gradient background. Add a modern card container for the AI Prompt Builder UI. Design the header with an icon, title, and subtitle. Create a filled text field with label, icons, and supporting text. Customize filled text field colors using TextField defaults.colors. Add a trailing clear icon to reset the text. Create an outline text field for I am model input. Customize the outline text field, border, and cursor colors. Build a multi-line text field for prompt description. Limit the prompt description to 200 characters. Display a live character counter using supporting text. Add a premium Material 3 Generate prompt button. Run the app and test all material text field components. Three logical tips. Now you know how to create modern material text fields in Jetpack Compose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next text field components tutorial.